Hello, this is Shraddha, and today we will learn about how to turn big data to great success. So, this is our catalog. First of all, we will learn about what is the introduction to the big data, what is data exploration and pre-processing, collecting and storing the big data, data analysis techniques, challenges, and many more things. So, introduction to the big data is one of our first slide. What is big data? Big data basically is an extremely or and the complex data set that the traditional tool can't manage. It includes the structured data like the database and unstructured data like the image or the social media post. And there are basically four V's of big data. And the first V is the volume, the data, huge amount of the data. Because in the digital world, data is everything. In social media, as the social media data and images and the raw data we are collecting, and velocity means the data generated rapidly in real time. That means the speed of the data. And the variety is having a different types of data like textual data, videos, etc. And the veracity basically is for the ensuring the data accuracy and the reliability. Okay, so what will be the characteristics of the data? This all four V's we have already learned, and the data nowadays is generating in the terabytes and the petabytes in the form. So, what will be the role of big data in decision making? Big data helps organizations by offering valuable insights for smarter decisions by using the advanced tools, uh, by using the complex data set. So, non-technical people want to understand the complex data set. So, we will just design the pattern and the uh, just find out the relationship between the data set and design the beautiful patterns to understand and taking a better decision and more efficiently utilize it. Okay, so what will be the impact of big data on business success? So big data transform the business by sparking innovations and the new ways to operate. It helps company to understand their customer better and offer personalized product and improve experiences. Big data analytics also detect fraud and manage risks and also strengthen the cyber security and making business safer and the more efficient. Another one is the collecting and storing the big data, how we will store and collect this huge amount of the data. So basically we are having the two methods to collect the data. First one is the traditional data collections. It refers of processing and gathering the data manually through conventional method. Before advancing digital tools, it typically involves a smaller and the structured data set and also relies on direct human interaction for collecting and the processing. Basically, it involves various methods. First of all, we just do the survey. A survey is like the set of questions is provided either on the paper or the face to face together specific informations. And then another method is interview, one on one or the group interview conducted in person or on or over the phone, collect detailed informations directly from participants. And the third method is observations, the data which we gathered through survey and the interviews. So we observe the subjects in real-time environments such as tracking customer behavior in a store. And the another one is paper records. Information is manually recorded and stored in physical formats like files, notebook, and the forms. And last one is experiment. Data is collected through controlled test and experiments to observe the outcome and trend. So this method often requires more time and effort compared to modern and automated technique. So this is the drawback of this method, like it takes more time. and the more effort is required. So we just do this process automated by using the modern data collection technique. So in this method, we just collect the data using the digital tools and techniques on a large scale and in real time. So we use basically three methods. First of all, we just do the web scraping, which automatically extracting the data from the website. And then we do the social media monitoring, tracking and analyze the post and interactions on platform like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and the sensors devices that collect data from environment like temperature, movement, or sound. So these modern methods are faster, more efficient, and handle huge volume of data. So this is more efficient method. And so we just met the traditional data collection method automated by using the modern data collection method. Data storage solutions. So first one is the on-premise data storage, and it refers to storing the data on physical servers located within a company's own facilities managed by the organization itself. And its advantages are control, full control over the data and infrastructure, and the security is also one of the advantage, greater ability to manage security measures internally, and customizations. So system can be tailored to the specific business needs. And what is the disadvantages? Cost. Expensive to buy and maintain hardware. Maintenance requires in-house IT staff for ongoing management and scalability. Difficult to expand quickly storage as data grows. So on-premise storage gives more control but requires higher cost and resources to maintain. Another one is cloud-based data storage, where the data is stored on the remote servers and managed by the third-party provider and accessible over the internet. So it has several advantages like it is cost effective, no need to buy hardware, pay only for the storage you use, scalable, easily expand storage as your data grows, and accessibility. Access data from anywhere, anytime with an internet connection. But disadvantages are reliance. So it requires a stable internet connection. Without the internet connection, we can't access our data. We cannot use our service. And the security concern, data is stored off-site, raising concern about the privacy and control. So cloud storage is flexible and scalable but depends on internet and third-party provider. So another one is big data platform. And these are the software framework designed to store, process and analyze large volume of data efficiently. So they enable organizations to handle the complexity and scale of the big data. So it has several advantages, several examples like Hadoop. Hadoop is an open source framework that allows for distributed storage and processing large data set, and it uses the HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, which stores the data and MapReduce to process it. Another example is a Spark. It also has an open source data processing engine that is faster than Hadoop because it processes the data in memory. So it also supports batch processing and real time processing and is often used for machine learning and streaming. So both the platforms are widely used in big data analytics and to handle massive data set and extract valuable insights. So third topic is data exploration and pre-processing. Identifying the removing duplicate records. Removing the duplicate entries. We just manage the data set. First of all, we just load our data. We transformed our data. So we have to uh, clean. We have to do the data pre-processing. We have to remove the duplicate values. And the importance of eliminating duplicates is accuracy. Duplicate record can lead to misleading analysis. Efficiency also, and the trustworthiness, handling the missing value. How we will handle the missing values? We can handle the missing data efficiently, like deleting the imputations and the predicting modeling. Data integration and transformation. So, what are the techniques for data integrations? Concatenations, combining the data set vertically by stacking them on top of each other and assuming they have the same structure. Merging, combining the data set horizontally based on the common key like IDs to enrich data by adding related information from different sources. And appending, adding new rows to an existing data set which can be useful for continuously updating the data. What are the importance of data integrations? A comprehensive analysis, like integrating the data from multiple sources, provides a complete view, enabling deeper insights and better decision making. And the challenges are like data inconsistencies, differences in data formats, units, or naming convention can lead to error during integration. So, data transformation. What is the data transformation? This is the process of converting the raw data into the suitable format for analysis, ensuring that it is clean, consistent, and reusable. And the techniques we used normalizations, like adjusting the value to a common scale, often to eliminate bias in dataset. For example, numerical values to range from 0 to 1 ensures comparability, aggregations, and importance like it improved the analysis outcome. Well transformed data ensures accuracy and clarity inside during analysis. Data analysis techniques. Summarizing the data, explaining the concept of summarizing data like mean, median, and mode. We just it includes in the descriptive analytics in which we just analyze the data by just finding out the mean, median, and mode, and take the decision, and discussing the techniques like frequency distribution and the summarization tables, and analyzes the patterns uh, by the data, and visualizing the data by using the data visualization techniques in the form of bar chart, pie chart, scatter chart, and many more charts are available to visualize the data and find the patterns and trends. Diagnostic analytics, it will consider the root cause analysis and the statistical analysis. In the root cause analysis, we just explain the concept of root cause in diagnostic problem, like discussing the technique like fishbone diagram and the importance of what is the diagnostic analytics in to identify what is the issue which is lying in the data. And the statistical analysis consider the role of statistical analysis and diagnostics. So we just explain this techniques by using the regression analytics and the hypothesis testing. Predictive analytics is the this technique is used for for to predict the future by using the historical events. uh, we just explain the process to build the predictive models by using the historical data and use the regression and the decision tree techniques in evaluating the predictive models by using the techniques like cross validation and the ROC curves. Prescriptive analytics optimization techniques, which explains the concept of optimization and prescriptive analytics. And it discusses the technique like linear programming, genetic algorithms. So, how we can improve the operational efficiency? First of all, we just do it by using the real-time monitoring and optimizations. And what is the benefits of real-time monitoring? To identify the uh, issue appears in the data uh, faster and minimize the downtime, optimizing productions and optimizations through analytics by using the predictive analytics to identify and just prevent the issues and also create the alerts and notifications to drive real-time actions, enhancing the customer experience by using the personalized recommendations, by just suggesting the products and using the data to personalize the product and content recommendations. We just enhance the customer experiences, like a user can search the product, so in Amazon or the Mintra, in e-commerce site, so the site just recommend the same product which the user searched, just, and it comes under the personalized recommendations, so the site recommended what according to the interest of the user. And the target marketing campaigns, which just to create the targeted campaigns to reach the specific customer segment by using the data to determine the best channel and messaging, increase the conversion rates. And in customer segmentations, we just classify the customer based on the similarities and the preferences, and use the advanced analytics to create target strategies. Optimizing business strategies, market trend analysis, by using the data to identify industry trend and challenges, competitor analysis, and the risk assessment mitigations, which this all are the business strategies to optimize. Challenges and considerations. Hmm. Privacy and data security is one of the challenge in it, like importance of privacy in AI, which discuss the significance of privacy in context of AI and explain the potential risks and consequences of privacy. Costs and infrastructure requirement.